The Biharis in Vancouver Group, BIV, is a heartfelt cultural and social network that has rapidly become a meaningful hub for people from Bihar and surrounding regions in India living in Metro Vancouver. Baja BC, Bihari and Jharkhand Association, is another cultural network. These WhatsApp-based community groups serve as cultural and social support network for people mostly from Bihar, Jharkhand and Uttar Pradesh states of India in Metro Vancouver, British Columbia. BIV and Baja mostly have common members and both groups work in close partnership to celebrate regional festivals. Members are bonded together by common culture and food habits. BIV and Baja together organize vibrant cultural celebrations such as Chhath Puja, Diwali, Saraswati Puja, Holi Milan Samaro, picnics, potlucks and many small socio-cultural events. Biharis are mostly in job and some are entrepreneurs and business owners which include restaurant owner, cafe owner, bakery owner, dance instructor, preschool operator, realtor, insurance advisor, IT professionals, etc. Some popular regional foods are litti chokha, dahi vada, malpua, ghughani, rice pulao, biryani, curry, pakoda, fried poha, etc. Spouses in BIV group are very social and of helping nature. BIV and Baja BC members have a lot of fun in outdoor picnics in big and small groups. Members have also participated in events organized by Indian Consulate in Vancouver to unite Indian diaspora districts. Families from Bihar, Jharkhand and Uttar Pradesh have a lot of fun together whole year creating strong community bonds. Some members are enthusiastic enough to boil authentic Indian chai for the groups in picnic. Chhath Puja celebrated mainly by Biharis was organized in Vancouver by Baja BC group and members from BIV group were also active volunteers. Members are from different part of Bihar who bonded together in Vancouver because of group. Biharis in Vancouver, Mithila Sweets and restaurant owned by a Bihari is appropriate to cater to the needs of the group functions. Baja BC group is enthusiastic to create small cricket team to have fun and let the spirit of cricket sport go on in Vancouver. Chhath Puja was organized second time in a row in 2025 by Baja BC group, Bihar and Jharkhand Association of BC. Diwali celebration was organized by BIV, Biharis in Vancouver group. BIV logo tees were proudly showcased by volunteers of Holi Milan Samaro of 2024. Honorable Ms. Nutan Thakur of Spice Radio Vancouver is a proud Bihari and blessed connection between news channels and groups. Biharis have great bonding over regional food occasionally. There is always some occasion to celebrate together as big family group members find creative ways and means to recognize and reward each other. Food is always important part of any group gathering. Group volunteers are always happy to serve people with smile in various ways. Members have also identified to bond together with small groups as well based on their preferences, leading to healthy social life. BIV logo tees displayed by proud volunteers, members enjoying regional cuisine. At the end of event, memories include a lot of group photos, ladies displaying BIV logo tees. It's very healthy social initiative by groups BIV and Baja BC to bring together people of Bihar, Jharkhand and UP states of India with the power of WhatsApp group. Many members got opportunity to enjoy popular Bihari food litti chokha in groups. Let's spread the word so more people from Bihar, Jharkhand and UP can join the groups through WhatsApp group links. It will make them feel in home away from home. At the end, it's good idea to help each other. So please like, subscribe and press bell icon to get more videos like this.